Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Oyewale, and in this film I want to show you how I'm going to be able to show you the making process of this awesome project. Yeah, this project is very easy to make, although it looks kind of complex, but it's very easy to make. So that's what I'm going to be showing you from A to Z of the making is what I'm going to show you right now. If you're a first timer, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Okay. So at the first point that you need your mold, to cut the base out. At the time you got the base out, the base is what we're going to be using to mark what we're marking presently. So once you mark that, the next thing we're going to be doing right now is to then use that marking to cut every board out. Yeah, the board we're going to be using in there is of 1.5 mm in thickness. So we want 1.5 mm thickness will be split into 3 forms. So after that, after we cut that after we cut that out, we're going to be having a 3/3 of the full pattern that we cut out that we're going to be embedding as shoe shank. For those that don't have a good idea of what a shoe shank is. Shoe shank is that iron that is always embedded in your shoes, and what that does is that it gives the shoe a shape, a permanent shapes. It retains the shapes in there. So after we get it embedded, we get the board covers all the embedded the shank together, file it all together, and our sole is almost ready. Okay, we then move forward to use our leather to cover it all around. Once we use our leather to cover it all around, we cut the spacing for the last sole, an upper sole, the mid sole, and the last sole. We cut the last sole. Once they cut the last sole and it cuts the last sole to align, the next thing is to last it. Okay, right now lasting it together is also very easy. Last thing is just to put this to shape and size. When you put that to shape and size, that is what they call as. After you get the last state, then you can come over and fix the upper layer and the down layer of it, which is the heel. You come to fix it. We come to fix it all together. What are we going to use to fix it together? We're going to be screwing it all together with a screw. We're going to screw it all together for it to hold, so it can hold and it will not shake at all. That's what we want to do. So once we do that together, we shake it, we stick it together, and we're done with it. And see, it's quite easy. I told you it's very easy. Making this project is very easy. I hope you like what you're seeing. Don't forget, please don't just like, share it. Don't just share. Click on the notification bell, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for you to be notified when I have these awesome videos like this on my. I'm Sunday Yewale, your shoe instructor. So you can connect to me one-on-one. My link to my social media platform are in the descriptions of this video. So go in there, click it, and let's connect. Look forward to have you in my subsequent upload.